Good day, everyone. My name is Jacqueline Cham, and my matrix number is SB22024. And our group will be presenting the studies about deep learning for plant genomics and crop improvement. So, gene technology and AI are now changing the way we grow our food. A recent studies on deep learning in plants shows that the plant genomics shows how artificial intelligence can quickly analyze the complex genetics data. This helps scientists to identify the valuable traits in plants like higher yield or better climate resilience crops. Besides, there are several important benefits when we use these advanced technologies, such as first, bridging genomic complexities and agricultural traits. It helps bridge the gap between genomic data and the agricultural meaningful traits, which enabling more targeted crop improvement. And secondly, it helps to predicting genes expressions and the protein structures. So AI can accurately predict the genes expressions and protein structures directly from the raw gene DNA sequence, and it enhances our understanding of plant biologies. And some more, it helps to improve the crop productivities and the adaptability. It supports the development of high yields, climate resilient crops, which is very essential for the country like Malaysia, where foods import are high and the climate change conditions are becoming more and more unpredictable. And lastly, it helps to accelerate the breeding cycles, which this approach enables faster and more precise crop development, with it significantly reducing breeding time from years to just a month or a few months.
My name is Siti Nurulfazil binti Abdul Rahman, SP22013. I will now explain the principle of how gene technology and deep learning work together in agriculture. First, deep learning models like CNN and RNN are used to automatically extract features from large-scale genomic datasets. For example, they can analyze DNA sequence, gene expression level, and even plant data without needing manual labeling. This makes the process faster and more efficient. Second, these models are excellent at learning complex and nonlinear relationships between a plant's genotype, like specific genes or DNA patterns, and its phenotype, such as yield, drought tolerance, or disease resistance. This is something traditionally methods often struggle with. Third, to improve accuracy and prevent overfitting, researchers split the data into training, validation, and test sets. This ensures the model learns properly and performs well on new, unseen data. Finally, to help scientists interpret the model's results, tools like SHAP and DeepLeaf are used. These tools highlight which genetic features most influence the model's prediction. This makes deep learning not just powerful but also explainable and trustworthy, which is very important in biological research. So in short, this technology helps scientists make accurate predictions from complex genetic data and guides crop improvement more effectively.
Greetings everyone, I am Sri Atika SB24011. Let's now take a look at the advantages and disadvantages of gene technology combined with artificial intelligence in agriculture. One major advantage is speed. This technology allows crop improvement to happen much faster than traditional breeding methods. Another benefit is accuracy, as AI helps scientists identify and edit the right genes with high precision. Additionally, it promotes sustainability by reducing the need for chemical fertilizer and pesticides, making farming more environmentally friendly. However, there are also some disadvantages. The cost of setting up AI systems and hiring skills experts can be very high. There are also the issue of data limitation, as AI requires large amounts of high-quality data to function properly. And lastly, there is a technology gap where many farmers in rural areas may not have access to these advanced tools or the training needed to use them effectively.
And also, When applying the advanced technologies like gene editing and AI in agriculture, it is crucial to evaluate the ethical issues that may arise. One key concern is genetic privacy and the data ownerships. As genomic data become a valuable asset, ethical questions arise above who has the right to access, use, and profit from these informations. In the Malaysia context, there is a risk that foreign companies could collect and use the local crops' genomic data for their own benefits without returning any benefits to the local farmers and researchers. This creates concerns about the data sovereignties, informed consents, and fair benefit sharings. Given that this data may relate to indigenous plant varieties and national food securities, ensuring ethical governance and local control is essential.
Another ethical issue is food security and socio-economic inequality. Genome-edited crops may mostly benefit large agribusiness that can afford advanced AI tools. Meanwhile, small-scale farmers might be left behind, widening the gap in access to technology and support. This could create unfair advantages and threaten the livelihood of rural communities.
In Malaysia, gene editing in agriculture carries important halal and public acceptance concerns, especially when it involves foreign genes or unnatural methods. Some communities may question whether these genetically edited crops are safe or permissible according to their religious beliefs. At the same time, government regulations may not be fully developed to monitor and control the use of this advanced technology, leading to uncertainty and hesitation among farmers and consumers. Therefore, it is important to ensure transparency, clear labeling, and community engagement when introducing genetically modified crops in Malaysia.